Meet Cassie Thompson.
You're late.
Sorry, Mr. Wegman.
I assume you do not have my coffee since you're wearing it.
She was going nowhere fast
Could be reapplying to colleges or looking for a job.
Yeah, with what test scores, Mom?
until she decided
I was thinking about making a movie.
This is like a quarter-life crisis.
This is not a crisis. This is the first thing I've done right for myself in a long time.
her crew is inept.
You must all study the script before production starts.
Especially you, Cal. You're the DP. Didn't I audition for the role of DP?
She has no money,
He won't want to miss this opportunity.
I think it's time to go.
and that means
Can't condone illegal activity.
Like basically what you hired me for.
her movie is doomed.
You ruined my movie.
This is a piece of junk.
Cassie, I don't care how much you're bleeding. Do it again.
What do you think this is? A Michael Bay film?
Following you, director.
Director's Cut,
I just need one person to believe in me.
a new comedy coming soon.
It's funny.
Why is it funny? Who's it funny to?
Your mom.
Oh, that's a really old joke.